Alright, this is my International Harvester Famous vertical engine. It's a 1905 6 horsepower rated for 500 RPM. I'll start it up for you. Now what I'm going to do for you guys is something a little bit special. I'm actually going to increase the speed. I'm going to take off all the resistors and I'm going to show you guys running what it normally looks like. I don't really like to run it this way because it jumps all over the place. Usually when it's running about 200 RPM. On all three of my model engines, power is provided by a 24,000 RPM motor and a rubber band running around the flywheel. I find that these engines, I mean, they're made by ertl. They're about $40 a piece, and the motor is about $2. I run off of a 6-volt battery, 6-volt Energizer battery, and I mean, this whole system works great. It looks really nice. It looks really nice when it goes to shows. Everybody asks me where I get these. Well, for those of you that wonder, now you know where I get them.